Hello, this is part 2. For salt and pepper substitute, you can use any Cajun seasoning. Alright, now our oil is hot. We're going to put the Holy Trinity. There we go. We're going to saute this. Until they are all wilted. We're wilting it down right there. There's no smell of vision, but this smells so good. Hey, Jeff. Alright, so we're going to wait for it to be wilted in about 2 minutes.